Hold on. Let's fucking go.
Feel like we're like a bunch of speds, but it doesn't even feel like that.
It's all clean.
Oh, that's the speed limit.
Oh, I see.
No.
I'm just gonna ride it.
This goes on the other. No, you idiot!
I don't think I could carry all that.
No, he can't carry all that. You put in too much gas.
Oh fuck. I'm not.
This is
Don't you
legit.
fucking dare. Get off. Get off.
Oh my god, it's so much gas. Explode it.
Get off.
Yeah, oorah, we need the car battery.
There you go. We made it, son.
think they're
I told
connected.
you everything was gonna be fine. All right, now we have to use rust.
Just back up to the end of the ramp. Yeah. There.
This story. Oh yes.
If this works, I'm Einstein. Remember me.
What are you doing?
Oh shit! Yeah, we were thinking the same thing. Yeah, fuck these guys.
You sons of bitches.
Motherfucker.
Are you going to detonate it?
Hey, Raw.
Yes.
Boom. Oh
Okay.
fuck, I missed.
Fuck you, rat.
Boom. Oh fuck, I missed.
Do it, Basic. Do it.
Loot movies where they like get better and better at everything they do because it's just an infinite fucking. Why is there a bomb?
Oh, that was my bomb before I resetted. What do you mean? Oh.
Yeah, Gus. Looks like he wasn't so smart after all. No!
There's only
Wait, how many car batteries are there? 2 or 1?
0.
Oh. I can't breathe. Oh, no!
Managed to have enough to make it to the other
Oh
side.
shit! I thought I was gonna get fucking
Alright.
like blasted off with that thing as well. Oh shit!
No! No!
You know? Okay. Now
We
set
might
to
as well
like
try
negative
that.
250.
You're parked on top.
450? Okay.
But get ready to stop it, okay? Just click and stop.
No! Oh no, this thing is losing fuel, baby.
He's not budging.
We
Oh.
go act.
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Should probably just wait like over here.
Hey, Virus, how you doing, buddy?
What are you doing?
I'm behind you. I don't know what you're talking about.
Do we have to speed through this?
Right,
Roger,
I'm
don't kill
pressing-
yourself.
No, we don't.
Wait, do
Okay.
we have to speed through
Press
this or
2.
no?
We don't.
We're going.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Fuck.
There's no checkpoints at all.
Well, then how do you get back up there so fast?
I've been up here. Rat.
You haven't died yet?
Fuck. That's enough.
Yeah, I know.
We gotta spin it around.
We could just show it like this stuff.
What?
He actually has
supposed to
photos
do?
on.
Just
He
forget?
still has. I know he still has photos on his computer about it though. That's just the funny part. No, not you.
Oh,
Christian. I'm
shit!
talking about Zell. Zell has
No
memories of
part.
all of it.
What are you doing? Where did this come from?
Bro,
Oh
you good?
right, there's okay.
Let's go. What? Why is it?
Yo, okay guys, past the
Okay.
speaker, there's gas on the.
Does anyone
on the
know what
road.
it means when it denies the fucking battery?
Are you putting it on the right side?
There's a picture to the left of the battery thing showing you how to put the battery.
Wait a second. Oh my god. Zoltry, you fucking idiot.
Did he put it upside down?
No, okay, so
out,
here's
get out,
what he
get out,
did. He
get out.
flipped it in the red thing.
You bait it.
I gotta beat this shit, Maybelline.
Are shotguns humane acts of war? No. Oh my god, that moved there. Oh, okay, wait, back up, please.
It may have reset it. How long does it take for it to reset?
Alright, are you guys still playing
No
the game?
flow.
Go!
Oh shit!
Man, the gas!
Uh-oh.
Just go with $1 bill.
I love
fuck it.
fishing.
Come hither.
Wait, what is? How
Oh
good?
my god.
What?
How good is fishing? Oh, the black death.
See? I didn't even try.
Or don't do it.
No, stop. Oh my god, no.
Oh, my bad.
Move, no, stop. Oh.
Okay.
Dude, any song that has anything related to do with like this, for example, it has to relate to Patrick Bateman.
Not really.
Exactly. You fucking, are you kidding? What did you just do? Oh, bro, I just swear to God.
Move. Actually, go through. Oh wait, if you don't. Are you touching the line?
Ow! Drop it right on top of the explosive. Yeah,
Oh, you can grab it.
I can!
Yes.
Get it closer. Oh no!